Hi gang, thanks for tuning in again. I'm Cal Ewing with investmentpropertyusa.ca and I'm talking about US tax lien investing today. And I thought it would be a good time to share my screen with you and show you exactly how to research the different counties within the United States and how they handle tax lien sales and tax lien investing. So I'm going to use Maricopa County, Arizona as an example, but what I'm showing you here can be applied to any county in any state that you choose in the United States. They're all a little bit different. Each website's a little bit different, but the premise is the same. So I thought, why not just show you by sharing my screen, and you should be able to get a good idea on how you can research tax lien investing yourself. Now, last week I talked about the basics of tax lien investing, why I think it's a great strategy for Canadian investors because you don't need a lot of money to invest. Tax liens can be purchased for under $1,000 and they go up to tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And most counties in the US offer online bidding. So you can stay here in Canada or wherever you want to invest from, and you can attend these live auctions online, buy tax liens, and then whether you're into getting a property at the end of it, you can actually buy tax liens that will eventually expire and go into foreclosure, which you'd be foreclosing on the property. And so, for example, you buy a tax lien for $2,000, foreclose on the property, and you've got yourself a $2,000 property. But the other cool thing about tax liens is you don't necessarily own the property. And if you're the kind of person that wants to make a great return on your money more than mutual funds, TFSAs, GICs, even stocks, this is a great way to make money and safely make money because tax liens are backed by the US government and they are secured by real estate. So Barron's magazine, which is a well-known money investing magazine, said that it was the safest and most lucrative investment that Americans can make. And of course, we're not Americans, but we can get in on this action as well. So if you want to learn more about that, check out my previous blog post, part 1 about tax liens. And then, of course, you can read below to learn a little bit more about the differences between each state, how the auctions are run, and where you can purchase tax liens. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'm going to share my screen with you right now. I'm here at www.naco.org, NACO.org. And this is the website put together by the National Association of Counties. And here you can get information on every single county in the United States. So this is your number one starting place when you're researching tax liens, trying to figure out where you want to invest in tax liens and tax deeds. So if you go up here to About Counties and just click on Find a County, and then you want to go down here, you have the map of the United States, and I'm going to click on Arizona. Now up here, you're going to have a scroll down or a drop down box with all the different counties in Arizona. And I'm going to go to Maricopa because that's where Phoenix is located. And then here is the Maricopa County website. So I'm clicking on that. Here's the Maricopa County, maricopa.gov website here. And now I want to go to departments. So like I say, every county website is going to be a little bit different, but the same type of information is going to be available. So departments. All right, so now we want to find the treasurer. The treasurer is usually the person that handles the tax lien and tax deed sales for most counties. It may differ with some counties. And then here, so we're at the Maricopa County Treasurer page, and there's a ton of information right on the front. Go down here, liens and research. So on this website, they give you a tax lien tutorial. They have an introduction, pre-sale requirements, what do you need to do before the sale, how to bid by proxy. So I believe that Maricopa County has a online bid, so you can sit back here in Canada and bid online for tax liens in Maricopa County. They talk about the bid interest, the redemption of the lien, and then if they do have deeds, they talk about that. So it's a wealth of information and a great place to start when doing your research on how to purchase tax liens. And there's frequently asked questions over here. Tax lien statistics is pretty cool. So you can see each year how how many parcels of land or the total value of the parcels of land that were auctioned off in terms of tax liens. These are how many were sold in 2014. So 12,700 liens were sold at their auction, with 6,000 not sold. So again, over the counter bidding or purchasing of tax liens is possible because there was 6,200 left over. Some of these are going to be the deals that nobody wanted, the scrap heap, if you will. But with some of these larger counties like Maricopa, there's so many liens for sale and way more than the investors have money for, so you can find some sweet deals over the counter. And then the average interest rate. So for example here, the average interest rate was about 5%. And with Arizona tax liens, the way they do their auction is the investors bid on the interest rate that they're willing to receive. So it starts at 16%. And then when you attend the auction, you're actually bidding down that interest rate. So for example, the average is investors bidded the interest rate they're willing to take down to about 5%. But you can see how it's varied over the years. All right, so this is where I would start if I was looking to invest in Maricopa County. And NACO.org is definitely the place you want to be to get going, looking at other counties or other states. Okay, so I hope that was clear to you guys, and you have a little bit of an understanding on how you can begin researching tax lien investing yourself. Like I say, there's no real general formula when it comes to tax lien investing. You really have to pick a state, pick a county within that state, and then research how that county handles their tax liens. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website at www.investmentpropertyusa.ca. You can even call me at 403-608-7481 or email at cal@investmentpropertyusa.ca. And next week, I'm going to be down in Houston. I'm really pumped because I'm going to be attending the tax deed auction. And I'm going to be taking a whole bunch of video content for you guys and teach you a little bit more about investing in tax deeds. So I'm really pumped about that, and I hope you guys are too. We'll see you next time. Thanks.